Hello friends and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain Guy Owl clothing reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website, and this is an online business based in United States and Canada which deals with men's fashion like hats, caps, jackets, suits, sweaters, sweatshirts, tracksuits, business suits, etc. You can take a look at the exclusive and massive collection of these offerings along with their prices and discounts. The company is also offering some discounts on some fashionable products here. And let's talk about the payment method and shipping policy. So guys, talking about the payment, the company only accepts PayPal payment method, but I'm not able to view the information or view the particular section of payment here. Now let's talk about shipping policy. So you can take a look here that free shipping on orders over USD $79, and the standard shipping duration is 5 to 12 business days. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, the website is using a secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign and shows that the website is secure for payment aspects. And coming to the domain information guys, the domain name was created on 3rd July 2020 and it is 2 months and 12 days old website. So we can't judge its legitimacy on few factors. Now let's discuss more. And as this is a new website, the website may not have too much traffic as well. Now guys, let's take a look at the About Us section to know more about this website. So here you can see Guy All Clothing Stores About Us page contains an invalid description guys. I'm not able to view any information regarding business establishment year, business owner name, photos, brand connection info. So I think this is a bad sign. Now let's talk about the contact address. So let's take a look at the contact us page. So guys, there is no contact information available on this page, and they have only provided their email address which matches with the domain name. But guys, you should know that many scam and problematic sites use email addresses starting with support, customer care, desk, help, etc. So be aware in this case. And guys, talking about the shipping policy, talking about the social media icons. The website is not professionally managed guys, so I'm not able to click the social media icons page, but when you'll see social media icons on this page, these social media icons are misleading as it takes you to some other pages. So again, this is a red high alert and shows that the website may be suspicious. Now coming to the return policy guys. So this is the refund policy page, and the company offers a 30-day no hassle refund policy. Guys, please do comment about your thoughts and do comment about your experience regarding the return and refund of the product. And Guy Owl Clothing is a comparatively new website guys, so there are no customer feedbacks and reviews available online. And in the final conclusion, it is confirmed that the store is not a legit store to trust as of now. There are no feedbacks, no contact details, no contact number. So we do not recommend anyone to buy from this store. But guys, if you have ever scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment about your thought, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thank you.